You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
All right, guys, we're going to get into mounting this track right here. So this track is the bottom section for this because this is called double track. So in order to mount this, you would need to first mount the track, which is what I'm going to show you in this video, and then you would click this on inside of that once the track is already mounted. All right, now there are options like single track, which will still be mounted in a similar way, except you're skipping the step of clicking the track on. So this is already together and you're just going to go ahead and screw this all on in one shot. So it's the same process whether you're doing a single track or a double track, but for example purposes, to make it easier, I'm going to show you guys mounting the double track. All right, so let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we got our first track mounted with just a couple screws in it. Now when you're going to set your second track, what you're going to want to do is have a scrap piece of double track that's already clicked into place on this one. And what that does, it allows you to perfectly line this up with this one. Like that. So now they're both evenly aligned, which will keep everything nice and straight as you continue to install. And then once you get over here, you'll want to add that last screw, and then you can just pop this right out. And that's how you'll keep everything nice and flush. So that's how you mount the track. It's very simple. You just want to make sure it's secure, make sure your screws aren't too close to the edge, and that's pretty much it.